Hello. Roll the intro. Okay, what a cool intro. Today, I'm showing you just a quick, very short video on how to make the Python pattern. So basically, it is just wrapping around like this, and it goes around plus with another Python, which is pretty cool. I don't know, this is like just a very basic way to make this pattern. To then do this, to then do that. Now, before this video starts, I'm going to give some notice to some of my videos. So, I made this video, right? Lego showing off thing. So, I was showing off my Lego Koenigsegg. Actually, no, I'm not going to go get it. I just want to record. And I said I made it left-hand drive because I'm in Australia. That was wrong. I mixed it up with my Ferrari. My Ferrari I made right-hand drive. And for some dumb reason, I said my Koenigsegg I made left-hand drive. It was meant to be right-hand drive as well as my Ferrari and all my other Speed Champion sets, which they are. It's just my Koenigsegg, I forgot to. So yeah, that's how I messed up. The second one, my last video, I was using the cube like this. Oh yeah, and I'm about done, and I am about done, and I'm just about done, and I'm about done. Oh yeah, there you go, done. And you could not see what I'm doing. It's because I was, like, looking in real life at the cube. Now I'm going to look through my phone screen at the cube, and then you should be able to see heaps better. Because then if I, like, see I'm going out of line, then you can just go back in. So yeah, that's an easier way. Shut up, dogs! Oh yeah, if you're wondering what this is, it's Batman having a bath with his legs, by the way. Oh yeah, I still have my torture device, by the way. I will never destroy this. Oh no, I knocked the robot. Okay, now, you just stay like that. But first I'm going to teach you... Oh yeah, hang on, no. More notice. I noticed on my random cubing video, no really, it's random, I was saying, why would you do all those 16 moves just to make the right cross when you could just do that 4 moves? No, the white cross is how to solve a cube. So if I give that a scramble, now you don't have to do the white cross, you can do like rooks or whatever it is. You can do, like, you can make the daisy first, which is made like this. So basically, you just want to line the colours up with the right colour, and then for some reason spin it to the yellow centre, to then find another white colour, and line it up in the correct side, to then spin it down to the daisy, to then find another white edge piece, to then line it up with its right colour, just to spin it down to the daisy, to then spin it all back up. That's like the slowest way I've ever seen. As well as you just get all the white edge pieces, line them up, make the cross, which is how you solve a cube. And back at that time when I'd been cubing for a month, I had no idea that that was how to solve a cube. I just looked at it and went, ooh, okay. So, yeah, there's some notice there. I don't think there's much more notice. Oh yeah, and the lighting in my previous video. The shadow was everywhere. Like, everywhere. But yeah, that's all I have to say about notice. But yeah, moving on to the pattern. I need to solve my cube first. So about the Python pattern, easy way. This. Done. Cool. And then you will get this. Now there is no mark leading there, so it's not really Python. It's just a beginner's way. And then you can also just mess around with this and make cool things like that. But, yeah. Like, look at this shape. I've never seen that before. But I have seen this. And then that's just a U. Upside down. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. That's a long video. 5 minutes. No one bothers to watch a 5-minute video. No. Well, if you can't watch a 5-minute video, there is something wrong with you. I did not mean that. I did not mean that. I really, really did not mean that.